Alright, so man, just ignore that I look really crappy right now. Uh, you know why I look really crappy right now? Because you just went home with me. And this one's for you. And ignore all the awkward faces I make because you love me and yeah. So here's I won't give up. Even though I kind of give up a lot. But you just keep on fighting for me. Ignore that. I don't really know what just happened. Meh. When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky for a beautiful sunrise. There's so much they hold, just like them old stars. I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? I won't give up, even if the skies get rough. Giving you all my love, I'm still looking up. When you're needing your strength to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting. See what you find. Even the stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth. We've got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. A difference that they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got. Yeah, we got a lot at stake. In the end, it's too much randomness. We didn't intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't fight. Had to learn how to bend for the world caving in. Had to learn what I've got and what I've not, who I am. I won't give up, even if the skies get rough. Giving you all my love. Still looking up, still looking up. I won't give up. God knows I'm tough enough. We've got a love to love. God knows we're worth it. I won't give up, even if